Stella, say bye to your sister Lucy.
Say bye-bye.
Aww. Aww. They're saying goodbye.
I want to get to you. Kisses.
Give kisses goodbye.
A coop.
Stella, enjoy your little life. Amazing. They'll never know what suffering is.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, baby girl. Thanks, Louie.
All right.
The proud daddy.
Look at your nice blanket.
Right?
That's nice. If you'd like to make your appointment now, I can make that.
He's
I'm
gonna
have
call
to call it in
Joe.
because my schedule's so screwed up.
Okay.
Probably be you close on Mondays?
No,
Just
just because
this
the
one.
holiday.
Okay.
Memorial.
All right. Say bye, Stella.
7 days a week, and Dr. Summers
Bye,
has been seeing
Stella.
them, so
Bye.
she works a lot.
Okay.
She'll be here.
So Chelsea's gonna be surprised when she gets
Yeah,
home.
when she gets
huh?
home.
She doesn't know.
Oh, she doesn't know?
No.
Has Lou been spayed?
Yes, Louie has been neutered.
Yeah. When I got engaged, I got fixed. Yeah.
Nice.
You giving Daddy kisses? Yeah. You saying thank you? So
Sweet
thanks,
face.
Louie.
Congratulations. We'll see you in a few weeks.
Thanks.
Yep. I'll see you next Sunday.
Yeah, you.